Hey everyone, this is Just a Tech and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I will give you a quick short update regarding the latest iOS 15. Apple has officially rolled out the iOS 15 OTA update, so you can just go to your device settings and easily update it directly from there. Currently I have an iPhone SE first generation and this device is also supported the latest iOS 15. So if you have an old iPhone SE first generation or iPhone 6S or iPod 7 generation, you are still lucky to get the latest iOS 15. So I will give you the complete list of the iOS 15 supported devices on the screen, so you can pause the video and read that. And if you are currently on the RC or any beta update, you have to first remove the beta profile from the device settings, and after that you will get this latest update. And also many of you are waiting for the latest jailbreak for iOS 15, that is the Checkra1n Jailbreak. So wait for it to get the new update from the Checkra1n team, as currently we don't have any official update from the Checkra1n team to support the iOS 15 with the new Checkra1n version, but we will wait for it and then I will notify you with the latest Windows method of the Checkra1n. Till then, if you want to jailbreak the 14.8, you can watch this video from the channel and do that. Until then, goodbye, take care and peace out.